Good evening, everyone. Good evening. Good evening. Apologies, guys. Late शुरू हुई थोड़ा. Keep your clean. Keep your screens clean. We'll start in 2 minutes. Let's start the screening, guys. Gold से शुरू करते. From the daily time frame. सुबह में जो wick बनाना चाहिए था वो wick बन चुका है इस point of action में. ठीक है? What is the one thing that you have to look here? अभी previous day का high mark कर लीजिए. Buyers allocation point को mark कर लीजिए. Okay? So you have two major constraints at this current scenario. What is the next thing? Allocate the previous demand substantially move the allocation point. ये target hit हो चुका है, so double the quantity. Okay. So this is the major 5 candles set what we have. This will be the major 5 candles set what we'll be checking out for, because closure of demand, buyers allocation होने के बाद movement. आज के दिन में wick create हो चुकी है and currently market is in a POI range, not in the inducement range, right? So abhi what is the next step that we guys have to look for? We guys have to look for 4 hours. What is 4 hours indicating? Definitely the first supply was completed. Post the first supply, my second supply is also completed. Okay. At this scenario, what is the next thing that I'm going to look for? Rejection point. Which is the rejection point that I'll be drawing out? The rejection point that I'll be drawing out is as per the previous allocations, right? So this is my previous allocations. Rejection point, right? So in this scenario, what is the next step that I have to be looking for? A movement. Where is that movement and from which side the movement is going to come? For this, what is the next step of action that I'll be looking? Agar in case of the scenario, Partner 1, partner 2, partner 3, continuity, not the reversal one, continuity structure build hoti hai. At this point of action, I could be looking for a different setup in an 1 hour, right? So in 1 hour, what is the market saying? Definitely fourth के दिन drop लिया था, right? Drop लेके जो कल के दिन आके एक retracement लेके follow through आई थी, right? So इमरान ने पूछा था from where we should be looking for the short. So this was our angle of perspective. With this perspective, multiplied version will be our allocation, right? But the allocation complete nahi hui. So what is the one thing that you have to be looking here at the current scenario? Market structure build करके ऊपर के लिए गया. From this point, market took a structure, built, continue, built, continue, and अभी इस point of action में आके एक price range में है, which is POI range, right? Where is the point of interest built? At this point of interest, what is the one thing that you guys have to notice? Why is the point of interest built at this range? Because आज का जो manufacturing PMI data जो निकलने वाली है, there is a lot of difference in the forecast and the previous. Hence, the market was in a consolidation for a longer period of time. मतलब POI in a longer period of time. So, what is the next step of looking into the perspectives? Two perspectives. This is my swing high. This is my swing low. This is my retracement point. Okay. Let's calculate the levels and allocate in each and every perspectives till the target allocation gets completed. Okay. So in this scenario, what is the one thing that I'll be looking for? Okay, what is my swing low? What is my swing high? So in this scenario, 2876.850 minus 2832.720. Okay. So what is the formulative number? 44.13. So what will be the next step that I'll be looking for? 2859 plus 44.13 into 1.618, 2930. Where is the line of action? This is our golden ratio line, which was at the same point of movement, right? Once this movement gets allocated, there should be one more line of contact that we'll be looking at. 2859 plus bracket open 44.13 into 2, 2949. Sorry, 2947. Right? Two level of allocations is being conducted at this current scenario. What is the next thing that we have to look for? Will this inducement work for me for a short movement and completion of the previous demand at this range? Yeah, PMI data के साथ market will just create a wick and continue. Okay, so these are the two things that what we'll be looking here in the circumstantial POI bond. What is the next thing that we guys have to look? Do we have to trade? No. Wait. Follow the inducement level. Inducement, break, sustain, continuity, inducement, break, rejection, continuity, inducement, opposite direction movement, wick creation, continuity in the direction. These are the only three setups that we are going to look at the current scenario because market is in an entire range for last 4 hours. Suppose this, what is the one thing that you guys have to be looking here? The one thing you guys have to be looking here कि 30 minutes में क्या वो exactly consolidation zone type create हुआ है कि नहीं, right? So in this scenario, what is that one thing that you will be looking for? यहाँ पे अगर notice करोगे, this is the entire range. Partner 1, partner 2, partner 3, partner 4, break, rejection, sustained, 100 pips closed, trade. Post that, at the current scenario, what is that one thing that you will be looking for? Market took a move, right? So, in this scenario, what is the next thing that you will look? First inducement was closed. Once the first inducement was closed, what did the market do at the current scenario? Did it work in a inducement partner or did it work in a group? Inducement group. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. A partner, a drop, a partner, a drop. So is it a right inducement or a fake inducement? So this is a POI, not an inducement range. Okay, because if there is an inducement, there will be only a group and a partner. Okay, but यहाँ पे continuity में हर एक allocation दिखा के market यहाँ पे एक range में build हो रही है. And in this range, if you notice, क्या volume increase हुआ? The volume is tangent from the morning, right? So when the volume is tangent in the morning, from the morning, what is the one thing that we have to be looking here? A spike in the volume, right? If we want a reversal, we need a spike in the candle. Okay. Once we get that spike, then we will be looking for a next moment of allocation in 15 minutes. What do you look? What do you see in a 15 minutes moment? 15 minutes movement में जो structure break हुआ था, right? Break होने के बाद एक point of action में आके steadily allocate होना शुरू हो गई, correct? उस point का action के ऊपर break होना चाहता ही नहीं था market. So this was our first supply. Post that, this is our this is our multiplied supply, and with the multiplied supply, this is our 50% range of rejection point. What do you notice? Okay, with this point of action, what is the current scenario you guys should be looking at? Current scenario is we need a spike. The first spike that we wanted, we are getting it here, but not interested. What is market doing? Partner 1, partner 2, partner 3, break, sustained and coming down, correct? It is following an inducement 3. At that current stage, what is the next thing that you have to look for? A movement diversion. अगर movement diversion मिलता है, well and good. अगर movement diversion नहीं मिलती है, then wait. Okay. So this is the current planning of gold. So let the spike generate in the candle. Spike आने दो volume में. Volume का spike आने के बाद inducement range follow करने दो. Build up तो मिल चुकी है हमें इस point of action में. We need a proper drop allocation to continue the movement, right? अगर drop allocation सही से मिलेगा, then our target could be for the first range of 28.30, 28.93 over here. जो कि हमारा जो प्रीवियस डिमांड है वो प्रीवियस डिमांड कंप्लीशन करने के लिए मार्केट नीचे आए. So that should be the current thing that we'll be looking for. Okay. So this is gold. कोई भी डाउट है प्लीज डू आस्क बीटीसी से पहले जाने के लिए. गुड इवनिंग इमरान, गुड इवनिंग एंटो, गुड इवनिंग नीलेश, गुड इवनिंग रचर. व्हाट इज मूवमेंट डाइवर्जन? सो एक एक चीज याद रखना, मूवमेंट डाइवर्जन मतलब any range of action where the volumes is not increased. Okay, with the volumes is not increased, you will see a POI range in between that. Okay, the patterns moving in the same directions in a range of that volume. Okay, what happens at this point? There will be a tight movement allocations in the direction of the trades where the money manipulation will happen, right? Money manipulation in the sense I'm not talking like Indian sessions में जो manipulations होता है ना वैसा नहीं. Here एक volume allocation चाहिए ही चाहिए, volume spike चाहिए, and वो volume allocation ये जो range है ना, ये range के अंदर में ही चाहिए, बाहर निकाल के नहीं चाहिए. जैसे कि कल के दिन में जो हमारा रीजन ऑफ लुकिंग फॉर शॉर्ट ट्रेड वाज ओनली वन ना. व्हाई? Sorry, 15 minutes. Continuously, what did the market do here? Buy, 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 buy. What were we waiting for, Imran, at this current point of state? We were waiting for एक रिजेक्शन आएगा, एक स्पाइक आएगी, उधर से हम शॉर्ट करेंगे. इन दिस सिनेरियो ओवरऑल पोजीशन सब लोगों को बिठाया ऊपर के लिए, रिटेलर्स को बिठा के मार्केट ने व्हाट डिड इट ट्राई टू डू? कहां पे स्पाइक आया वॉल्यूम पे? फर्स्ट स्पाइक ऑफ वॉल्यूम वाज इन अ ग्रीन कैंडल, राइट? एक सेकेंड. What do you notice? The first spike was in the green candle. Continuity, all the candles created with a movement allocation, right? तब तक के लिए उससे पहले इस point of action तक क्या था मार्केट में वॉल्यूम? The volume was tangent. कितना भी बड़ा मुंह आने दो, उस point of action तक वॉल्यूम बड़ा नहीं था, right? जैसे ही वो वॉल्यूम कॉन्ट्रैक्शन यहाँ पे क्रिएट हुई, the market tend to create a reversal range from that point of action. Okay, and 1 hour में आपने खुद बोला था कि स्पाइक आया वॉल्यूम में, राइट? सो व्हाई डज दैट की रोल प्लेस अ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट थिंग इन द मार्केट? स्टैंजेंट थी, फर्स्ट स्पाइक आया था इन द कैंडल ऑफ रेड इन दिस सिनेरियो, राइट? So that's how the movement diversions get cleared and attributed to the markets. Contribution ne attribute, right? So when there is an attribute in the market lookouts, it tends to create a diversion of money manipulation. जैसे ही मनी मैनिपुलेशन क्रिएट होती है मार्केट में, एक फॉल आएगा जो कि इट विल बी मोर देन 20-30 पिप्स काइंड ऑफ सिनारियोस. ओके, गुड इवनिंग विच. So the direction is towards short. Yes, that's right. कहाँ तक? 2893. Clear, guys? Can we move to BTC? माविच कितना पॉइंट चल रहा है BTC में? Long. How many points movement is going on? Got your point. Thanks. And Imran, कल के दिन, did you capture that wick to wick of 30 minutes yesterday? No, sir. I was waiting for BTC to touch the MC range for a buy. So no entry. Okay. Good evening, Venkatraman. Good evening. Yes, I did. Great. How many points did you capture over there? 50 points captured. Great. 85, 516 was my buy. Okay, got it. Coming down to BTC next. Hit the like button, guys. What is BTC doing? सुबह में क्लियर कट बोला था मार्केट 4 आवर्स कैंडल क्रिएट होके ग्रीन में क्लोज होती है नेक्स्ट कैंडल उड़ जाएगा राइट उस पॉइंट ऑफ एक्शन से 4000 पॉइंट्स उड़ा है ओके दिस इज नथिंग जस्ट a glimpse okay so let's start the screening what is the main thing that you have to notice what is our wave in the current scenario the wave in the current scenario is bullish right what is the structure allocations looks like buyer's allocation point good evening Sudhir as you said it avoiding BTC for now being very volatile okay okay so this is my low point buyer's allocation where the market tend to show the movement and where is my internal liquidity point this is my internal liquidity point okay two levels has been marked at the current scenario what is the next thing that I will be looking for did the market tend to take my previous demand completion yes completed so in this scenario what is the next plan of action that I should be having the supply the supply one will be from the green candle and on the continuity my supply 2 will be from the buyer's allocation point okay so let's do the math in 4 hours what is my low point the low point the swing high point the retracement point okay 88,967.52 minus 81,500 what is the formulative number the formulative number is 7467.52 what is the next thing that I will be looking for retracement point 86,334.53. Movement is bullish, so we will add bracket open the formulative number 7467.52 into 1.618. What is the number we are getting? 98,416. Okay. So this is the number that we are looking for at the current stage of the movement, where our previous supply is matching our current mathematical number, right? Usse pehle, let's just check one more scenario wherein our high point is this, our low point is this, and our retracement point is this. Did the market follow the rule or not? In this scenario, what is the one thing that you'll be looking for? 86,558 minus 78,258.52. What is the formulative number that you're getting? 8299.48. So in this scenario, what is the retracement point that we have taken? The retracement point that we have taken is 84,334.39. Movement is bullish. Add. What is the formulative number? 8299.48 into the golden ratio 1.618. What is the target? The target is 97,762, which is 1000 points or less, which is not yet completed yet. Even that range is pending. Okay. हाँ but थोड़ा नीचे आके गया है. That is not the consideration at all. वो वैसे बोल ही नहीं सकते हो. टारगेट हिट होना जरूरी है. ओके. अगर वही सर्कमस्टांसेस से तुम फर्स्ट पॉइंट ऑफ एक्शन को देख रहे हो, नॉट टेकिंग दिस एज द फर्स्ट पॉइंट, टेकिंग दिस एज अ फर्स्ट पॉइंट एंड दिस एज अ रिट्रेसमेंट पॉइंट, then yes, the target is hit. But when you have taken the highest point for an allocation and the lowest point of that as a retracement, the numbers changes, right? So every number is taken under the consideration. Okay, so you have to keep in mind. So not all the numbers works. It works only at a particular rate. 4 hours का target अभी pending है, right? 98,000 is the 4 hours target as the current scenario because we are taking from this point of action, right? So we have got an partner over here. We have got an inducement built over here. 4 hours में continuity followed through as per the inducement rejection, right? अगर मैं inducement rejection डालता हूँ, what is the rejection point that, right? So this is how the retracements looked, and it followed in a way where the market needs to go, right? In this scenario, yes, inducement is there. With the inducement, there is a break. With the break, the rejection is as per the calculation. Abhi calculation होने के बाद, what is the next thing that I will be looking here? Okay, so the next thing that I will be looking here is a movement circular of this particular motion. Right? क्या उसका टारगेट हिट हुआ है? नहीं, अभी तक हिट नहीं हुई है. So currently market is showing a red candle, but it's not saying that he is taking a reversal, right? So at this stage, the market is still bullish, wave is bullish, tide is bullish. Let's come down to 1 hour. In 1 hour, what do you notice? A market was in a range at this particular moment. यहाँ तक. Post that you have got an inducement, but not a right inducement. What is the inducement that we look for? We look for a partners. Do we have a partner here? No. So in this scenario, what is the one thing that you look for? A rejection point. How do you identify a rejection point? Through the previous POI range, right? Through the previous POI range is where an allocation will look like. So this is the previous allocations that we will be looking here for. Okay. So वो rejection point उस point of action से build होती है. Then yes, definitely market will tend to build an action from the same perspective at the same angle. ओके, तब तक के लिए ब्रेक नहीं होती है, सस्टेन नहीं होती है प्रीवियस पीओआई रेंज का जो ब्रेक डाउन है, उस ब्रेक डाउन से वेट अलोकेशन नहीं दिखती है, नॉट इंटरेस्टेड. कैंडल सस्टेन होके रिजेक्शन लेके इंड्यूसमेंट पैटर्न फॉलो करती है, इंटरेस्टेड. इफ नॉट, छोड़ दो, मूवमेंट छोड़ ही दो, प्रॉब्लम नहीं है. 30 minutes, what is 30 minutes saying? टारगेट हिट हुआ है, बट हिट होके एक छोटा सा रिजेक्शन ले रहा है. कौन सा टारगेट हिट हुआ है? यहाँ पे तो कौन सा भी टारगेट हिट नहीं हुआ है, करेक्ट. बट एट एवरी सर्कुलम इफ यू लुक फॉर ए मूवमेंट, ओके, थोड़ा सा जूम करके दिखा दो. ये पीछे सब भूल जाना. एट द करंट स्टेज ऑफ 30 मिनट्स पीछे सब भूल जाके एट द करंट स्टेज का अलोकेशन लेके चलो, राइट. सो दिस इज द फर्स्ट सप्लाई. गॉट इट. Okay. What could be the rejection range over here? The rejection range will be of the previous inducement. Got it. Continuity में कितना आना चाहिए? Okay. Break हुआ. So 30 minutes में हमारा टारगेट हिट हो चुका है. Okay. Because छोटे टाइम फ्रेम पे आते जाओगे तो टारगेट्स भी छोटे होते जाएंगे, right? So now what is the one thing that you have to look for? Till where will the market fall, and from where again we will be looking for an add-on. For that, let's come down to 15 minutes. In 15 minutes, what do you notice? Every point of action, it was saying buyers कि look for a trade, look for a trade, look for a trade. But यहाँ पे कोई बाई नहीं किए, मतलब 4.6% लोग बाई किए होंगे. ओके चलो 10% बाई किए होंगे, बट रिमेनिंग नो. अगर दन बाइंग होता ना, तो ये वॉल्यूम यहाँ पे दिख रहे हो ना, आज के दिन का वॉल्यूम, ये ऐसे नहीं दिखती. Okay. Where did you saw a spike? You saw a spike in a candle where the movement is ending. क्योंकि रिटेलर्स को आदत है ना एंडिंग में डालने के लिए पैसा. Okay. So let me just remove the drawing for a moment and showcase you how does this movement looks like. So ये ग्रीन कैंडल जो क्रिएट हुआ है, स्पाइक यहाँ पे क्यों आया? क्योंकि फोमो में इतना बड़ा ट्रेड मिस होने के बाद रिवर्स अलोकेशन ऑफ सेलर्स गॉट एक्टिवेटेड एट दिस पॉइंट, बिकॉज इस पॉइंट ऑफ एक्शन में जाके हर एक बायर अलोकेशन दिखी है, राइट. सो व्हाट डू यू नोटिस एट दिस रेंज? फर्स्ट टाइम इन द एंटायर मूव यू सॉ a seller's pressure at this point. Why? On the completion of the second supply. After this, definitely market played out in a zone, right? Retracement जितने लोगों को चाहिए था, बट हर एक पोजीशन ऑफ कैंडलिंग में देखो, यहाँ पे सेलर्स पोजीशन है. हर एक पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू में देखना, सेलर्स पोजीशन एक्टिवेट होके चल रहा है. अगर इन केस ऑफ सिनेरियो ये 1 आवर में स्पाइक आती है, क्लोजर इन 25 minutes with a great volume, Definitely it will come down till 88,967. Okay. So you have to understand not the candles, you have to understand the wicks, right? From where the market is starting to bend. In the current scenario, अगर मैं सब ड्राइंग हटा दूं, रिटेलर्स को क्या दिख रहा है? मार्केट बुलिश है, नो डाउट बुलिश है मार्केट, राइट? But each and every time there was a pressure, what did market do? जब जब प्रेशर बिल्ड हुआ, मार्केट टेंड टू ब्रेक ना फॉर ए वाइल. कंटिन्यू डेफिनेटली करता है, नो डाउट. बट दैट ब्रेक रेंज जो है, वो ब्रेक रेंज में बने रहना इज द बिगेस्ट थिंग which retailers don't. So guys, wait till the rejection point, a small inducement range or a threshold to be built. Threshold is nothing but an external liquidity called. The pattern looks like this. 1 hour में चेक कर लेना. अगर इमीडिएट एक्शन, प्लान ऑफ एक्शन देखना है 1000 पॉइंट्स के लिए, 15 मिनट्स 13 मिनट्स में भी देख सकते हो, राइट? शॉर्ट के लिए ये पैटर्न बिल्ड होगी, लॉन्ग के लिए ये पैटर्न बिल्ड होगी, एंड मार्केट मूव्स विद दिस पैटर्न्स ओनली. ये सिर्फ बीटीसी में काम करती है, ठीक है? सो ऑलवेज लुक फॉर द movement of the stabilities, allocate the trades in the directions of the market using the mathematical concept. Don't trade in FOMO. Wait for the right price action to build. Inducement generate होने दो, या insider line of candle create होने दो, तभी ही plan of action होगा, वरना नहीं. Make sure trade fearlessly without emotions, with the risk management, and जीतने से खुशी मनाना, हारने से दुखी मनाना शोभा नहीं देता यार ट्रेडर के लिए. बी स्टेबलाइज्ड, कंट्रोल ऑन योर इमोशंस. गुड इवनिंग सिमन. Any doubts in BTC, guys? So there, gold, sorry, BTC का लॉन्ग किया था क्या? Clear. Great. No doubts. 40 pips running in gold. Great. In BTC, you said the 4 hours candle should close in green. The next candle should show a rejection. When we can enter. Here, how do we pinpoint that it has to be the next candle only? Nilesh, at least you need to observe that BTC for 3 months, okay, to understand that. 3 months is the timeline that you want. बिकॉज अगर यहाँ पे नोटिस कर रहे हो, यहाँ पे आपको विक नहीं दिख रहा है, ओके, 4 आवर्स में. बट जो भी ट्रेडिंग प्लेटफॉर्म है उसमें अच्छा खासा विक क्रिएटेड है. इफ यू नोटिस हियर देयर इज नो विक्स, okay, but where you execute the trades you will find a wick which is already created in the same chart, same 4 hours candle, right? So one day we will definitely speak on how do you look for a rejection and continuity, and how to look for an allocation in this scenario. Okay, we'll definitely speak on that. Sorry, my bad. Hit the like button, guys. All the new members, welcome to the stream. Whatever doubt you guys are having, you can ask Dil Khol ke. And one more thing, if you're learning from the stream, if you're liking it, like, share, and subscribe. Should show rejection and not later candles. What's the psychology behind that? There is no psychology behind that. There is only the math which is behind that, right? I will explain it to you because abhi in-depth math में जाऊंगा ना. So you guys will be like, सर के ऊपर से गया. We have a formula to identify that. Fraction is equal to. This is the thing that we have to be working on to identify candle wise. Okay. So अभी इस फॉर्मूला को एक्सप्लेन करूंगा. जो ट्रेड्स देखने के लिए आए हो वो ट्रेड्स मिलेंगे नहीं. ठीक है. 'What could have happened if the candle could have closed red'? कैंडल उस सिनेरियोस में रेड क्लोज होगा ही नहीं. उसके लिए तो कॉन्फिडेंट में लॉन्ग के लिए देखने बोला था ना. Inducement identification is easy, but rejection and continuation is difficult to catch. 22 days, Imran, right? That's the number that I've asked. You guys will be able to identify and catch it. Give 22 days for yourself. You will definitely be able to catch. 90 pips running. ओ भाई साहब, एक सेकेंड. मेरा माउस आज सही से काम नहीं कर रहा है. My mouse is nothing but my pen. Sir, with your blessings, took the first ever Forex trade, Euro USD, booked 250 pips. Sorry, I'm not very familiar with Forex terminologies yet. Okay, no worries, yeah, great. You explain in such a nice way, but sometimes after a few minutes gets confused on what to do. Happens, guys, happens. आप आते ही मार्केट मूव भी होना शुरू हो गया. कहाँ थे 5 बजे से? मैं आते ही मतलब मुझे भी सीखने दो, फिर मैं डबल पॉइंट्स कैप्चर करके स्क्रीनशॉट डालूंगा। डेफिनेटली गाइस। ओके, आप लोग डालो। Yes, Sudhir, you are right. When Nitesh explains, everything gets simple. आप लोग भी कर लोगे यार. Just give 22 days. 22 days is the number that I'm asking. So, कितने भी लोग ट्रेड में हैं, फॉलो द MTSL, फॉलो द TSL, राइट? ट्रेल करके चलो. टारगेट अभी है 2893 तक. दुनिया का कौन सा भी चार्ट उठा के दो, रचित करके देंगे. नाम भी मत बताओ. सिर्फ रिट्रेसमेंट पॉइंट्स का वैल्यू बता दो. आई गिव यू द नंबर. मार्केट कहाँ तक जाएगा. सिंपल अलोकेशन था. रिवाइंड करके देख लेना. इंड्यूसमेंट बिल्ड हुआ था, राइट? इंड्यूसमेंट बिल्ड होके ब्रेक हुई थी, क्लोजर कंटिन्यूटी में नीचे यहाँ तक थी. क्लियर कट बोला था कि लाइक वॉल्यूम बढ़ा नहीं है, डायरेक्शन सेम होगा. वॉल्यूम बढ़ने दो तभी मार्केट चेंज होगी, तब तक नहीं. ओके. सो इन द सिनेरियो व्हाट डिड मार्केट डू? मार्केट कंटिन्यूड. बैक टेस्ट करो, फॉरवर्ड टेस्ट करो, सीखो. सीखने के टाइम जो भी डाउट आता है पूछो. मतलब उसमें भी फॉर्मूला पुट कर सकते हैं क्या? यूएस ऑयल में यस यू कैन. मैथमेटिकल कॉन्सेप्ट 2.0 फॉलो होता है वहां पे. उसे यूज कर लेना एंड अलोकेट द डायरेक्शंस. That's right. Same inducement. Inducement 3. There are only three types of inducement entry points. Inducement 1, as explained here in gold chart. There are only three types of movements that you get. Inducement, break, retrace, continue. Inducement, break, rejection in the same candle, continue. Inducement, break, fake break, you will get one candle in an indecision move, continue in the opposite direction. Okay. So same short के लिए market will create an inducement, break, retest, continue. Inducement 2, inducements, break, rejection, continue. Break, rejection, continue. And last, inducement, break, indecision candle, continue. So these are the only three entry points you will get in entire markets of crypto, forex, and BTC. Indian sessions is totally different, but here these are the only three things that it works. Okay. Whenever inducement 3 happens, it hits my SL. Learning stage, that's totally fine. Hit the like button, guys. Sir, at 28.93, should we look for inducement or threshold? 28.93. भाई त्रिशूल ओनली वर्क्स इन बीटीसी. यहाँ पे इंडिसिसिव कैंडल बनाएगा, राइट, या इनसाइडर कैंडल बनाएगा. ये दो ही चीज बनाएगा. अगर ब्रेक होके सस्टेन हो जाएगा तो डिमांड डबल हो जाएगी 50%, तब तक टारगेट के लिए होगी. देन योर नेक्स्ट टारगेट विल बी 28.76. मार्केट ऊपर सिर्फ एक ही चीज के लिए आई थी, विक क्रिएट करने के लिए आई थी डेली टाइम फ्रेम पे. ओके. वरुण को देख के सबको लगता होगा हम कब ट्रेड लेंगे. ले लोगे सुदेश. Hit the like button. Hit the like button, guys. Check, check. ऐसे कैसे होता है जैसे तुम आते हो तो मूवमेंट शुरू हो जाता है. मैं कुछ नहीं करता यार. आई डोंट डू एनीथिंग. आई जस्ट सिट एंड वॉच. Keep it up, Nilesh. First trade executed. Good one. Keep back testing. Keep learning. Any doubts, please ask. Execution will be there. Once you complete your 22 days, right? So you will be able to take more better trades than today. Suppose if price hits a rejection level and it retraces and forms a swing low, here we calculate the target according to 1.618, but there is a previous demand range which acts as a support. So in this case, if the 1.618 calculation level is lower than the previous demand range, then before reaching the 1.618 target previous demand range can also act as support. What should be the action plan here? So in case of that, First thing, you have to wait for the break of the current demand. Once the current demand breaks, just for an example, let's take one scenario, right? This was the plan of action, correct? So this is the measurement what we have put over here. In this scenario, the same candle in this scenario, right? So our plan of action was from here, right? Because our previous supply of the retailers were here. So this was our rejection point of view, right? Rejection to liya, no doubt. If you notice here, in the first one, what did the market tend to do? Market didn't go in a go. If you're noticing, the market took a rejection. It didn't complete the level 1 reversal. Why level 1 reversal was not completed at this range? If you take the mathematical calculations of the level 1, which is over here, level 2, this one, level 3, this one. Okay, let's do the math. Okay, so what is my swing high? 2927.910 minus 2920.120. Okay, so what is the formulative number that I'm getting? The formulative number that I'm getting is 17.79, correct? So in this scenario, what I will be doing? So I'll be taking my retracement point 2923.686. Market is bearish. Subtract 17.79 into 1.618. What is my target range? 2894, which is at the current moment this one. But in this moment, what is the one thing that you notice? When I have marked the level, the market isn't tend to move. Why? Because there was a previous movement allocation, right? So which I will showcase you in 1 hour. So this levels have got. So once the levels is got, what do you notice in this range? Why was the market not moving? Why was our trade allocated towards the long in the morning? Because there were a certain particular volume of trading must be required, right? So अगर वो trading volume नहीं मिलता है तो वो movement नहीं आता है. That is the lookout you should be having, right? So in this scenario, definitely market tend to play a role. Came down 30 minutes के साथ movement आया था, right? Wick to wick के साथ movement आया था, आके इस point of action में sustain हो गया था. Why? We didn't had a wick creation in daily. Market tend to move, create the wick. Post creation of wick, market took the range and started to fall. अगर मार्केट में डेली टाइम फ्रेम पे सुबह में ही विक क्रिएट हो चुकी होती ना, तो ये टारगेट सुबह में ही हो चुकी होती, अभी नहीं. ओके, सो ऑलवेज रिमेंबर डेली टाइम फ्रेम्स major key role of wick creation plays in the allocations, right? जब तक वो विक क्रिएट नहीं होगी, वॉल्यूम बढ़ते हुए नहीं दिखेगा आपको, right? And what do you notice? The highest spike of volume where you're getting, right? So that is the one thing that you guys always have to keep in mind while you're looking in the trades. Okay. Whenever the market will tend to show a reversal, it will definitely pull the spike of the volumes. Got it. Cool. Anyone has any doubts can ask. All the new members, welcome to the family and the channel. If you're liking the stream, if you're learning from the stream, do like, share, and subscribe. Rajiv, hope your day went well. Hope the office work was less. So currently trade is running with 230 pips. MTSL is one thing that you guys have to follow. MTSL hit होती है exit. Yes sir. Got it. Great Rachel. सर कोर्स शुरू कर दो मजा आएगा. नहीं नहीं मिलेगा कोर्स. एक एक वीडियो डाल दूंगा यार. स्क्रीनिंग से लेके एंट्री तक टारगेट तक कैसे होल्ड करना है हो गया कोर्स. मजे करो. ये सर कोर्स समझ नहीं आता. जो कोर्स देता है मीन्स खुद ट्रेडिंग नहीं करता. सर यूएस ऑयल का दिखा दो ना एक बार. डेफिनेटली. यूएस ऑयल. ओके. सर व्हाट आर दिस लेवल्स दैट यू हैव सीन इन यूएस ऑयल. हमारा ट्रेड चल रहा है यार. स्विंग ट्रेड चल रही है बेसिकली. Target is 63.80. Coming to your point, Venkatraman, give me some time. अगर रचित मैथमेटिकल नंबर्स भी चाहिए तो बता देना यूएस ऑयल का. सो यूएस ऑयल का अगर क्लोजर इस कैंडल के नीचे होती है, सो नेक्स्ट टारगेट आके 6380 तक आएगी मार्केट. ओके. if if you want to look in perspective of a movement, then the structure should build with the structure, allocate the mathematical number. राइट, छोटा ट्रेड चाहिए तो the higher point will be, swing high will be at 68.51, swing low will be at 67.56, and 68.02 will be your retracement point. Okay, from this point of action you can look for the next moment of action and hold on to the trade. Formula, sir. Same formula. Swing high minus swing low, फॉर्मुलेटिव नंबर निकलेगी, फॉर्मुले सॉरी रिट्रेसमेंट पॉइंट नीचे के लिए सब्ट्रैक्ट फॉर्मुलेटिव नंबर इनटू गोल्डन रेशियो 1.618. 1.618 हिट होने के बाद the next thing that you have to look for is 2. Okay, so यूएस ऑयल में ट्रेड करना है तो एक चीज याद रखना, one thing you have to know is do US oil in higher time frames and allocate the trades in lower time frames. नहीं कोई बात नहीं है, ट्रेड कर रहे हो नहीं कर रहे हो दैट इज नॉट ए पॉइंट, सीखने में भी राइट, लुक आउट फॉर द हायर टाइम फ्रेम्स, एसएल्स, sorry, SH and SL, so that you will have a bigger picture to hold the trade till. Okay, sir, in short you are saying D1 candle has to create a wick with the volumes. वॉल्यूम्स तभी बढ़ेंगे अगर विक क्रिएटेड है, नहीं तो मार्केट ऊपर जाके विक क्रिएट करने के बाद वॉल्यूम्स बढ़ना शुरू होंगे. ओके, त्रिशूल सिर्फ बीटीसी में होता है. एंड देयर इज नथिंग कॉल्ड that is external liquidity, right? Trishul is good name, so I have kept it Trishul. Okay, but gold में देखो मत त्रिशूल के हिसाब से, इनसाइडर लिक्विडिटी के हिसाब से ट्रेड अलोकेट करो, राइट? In the current scenario, what do you notice, Imran? The adequate of the positions in this candle is from the both the side. Okay. Continuity, market tried to push, took a rejection. अगर मार्केट ऊपर के लिए कंटिन्यू करना है, डेफिनेटली इट विल हैव टू टेक वन ड्रॉप, राइट? एक ड्रॉप लेने दो, सबको पॉजिटिव में पिक्चर दिखाने दो, उसके बाद कंटिन्यूटी, नॉट प्रायर टू दैट. ओके, इमरान ब्रो, वी कैनॉट लुक फॉर त्रिशूल इन गोल्ड. All the new members, welcome to the stream. जो भी डाउट है पूछ सकते हो. If you're learning from the stream, liking the stream, like, share and subscribe. Suppose if price is taking rejection from a key level, then how we decide which method to use? Swing method or inducement area? Always the first plan of action is inducement. Swing method is only for the people who has a lower volume, matlab lower trading capital. Okay. And see, however, swing is used to identify the range where will be the next reversal from. Inducements are the range where you look for the trade-off allocations. Okay, I like this term threshold. Yeah, it was kept by one of the LTD members. So I copy pasted that from them. Sir, threshold build हुआ है, मजा आ रहा है. That guy used to say like that. How is that even possible? You said it will take rejection before the candle closure. Learn, 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 guys. ये क्या है ये? या तो विन है, नहीं तो लर्न है. What is it? Looking for a long in gold. Okay. Dialogue by Pakistani captain after loss. Nice. या तो विन है, नहीं तो लर्न है. Nice. uh, अगर जिन जिन का एंट्री मिस हुआ है, नेक्स्ट कैंडल क्लोज होने दो, मतलब ये कैंडल क्लोज होने दो, नेक्स्ट कैंडल रिजेक्शन कंटिन्यूटी में ऐड कर सकते हो. TP1 as per the previous supply. Okay, guys. रचित, बैक टेस्ट करते वक्त जो भी डाउट आ रहा है, do ask. Okay, when you're in learning stage, पूछना. Right, you will definitely get multiple doubts. Keep asking. Sir, how how did your enter short in gold on which indication? Right, rejection indication, sir. Simple. What do you notice? Till this point of action, do we have the volume increase? No. Post that, we got an indication of a volume increase in this candle. If you are noticing this one. Okay. Short circular movement आती है यहाँ पे इस point of action में. क्यों? What is the one thing that you have to keep in mind? Body is very small. Position allocation of the wicks is definitely higher. Sellers is the higher point or the buyers? Definitely buyers. Okay. Post this, what did the market tend to do? Market took the continuity. With this continuity, all the retailers took a reallocations at this point. Seller position got involved, right? When seller positions got involved, what is the next thing that you have to look for? A rejection. We got a rejection. In continuity, execute. Till when? Because next 15 minutes में मीटिंग है PMI. कहाँ तक देख सकते हो? यहाँ पे MTSL ट्रेल करके anywhere in the rejection you can look for an entry and allocate the trade in the direction. As simple as that. I know simple अभी नहीं है, but 22 days के बाद आपको वो simple लगेगा. Okay? So यहाँ पे MTSLs neck to neck होती है क्योंकि next candle में meeting है. Perspective is simple and clear. That is the only thing that you have to look for. Okay, sir. नितेश इनसाइडर वॉल्यूम के साथ एक शॉट लिया था. थैंक यू फॉर योर लर्निंग. मैम आप कब से थैंक यू बोलने लगे अरुंधति मैम? कुछ भी. हाँ, स्मॉल विक बनाया लेकिन बड़ा वॉल्यूम दिया. मैंने आज तक ध्यान ही नहीं दिया. मुझे लगता था बड़ा कैंडल है तो बड़ा वॉल्यूम है. सब लोग MTSL स्ट्रॉन्ग फॉलो करके चलना. Majid, your trade is also running with nice 80 pips as of now. MTSL should be strong at the current scenario. सन्नाटा कैसे आ गया? Hit the like button, guys. No, sir, we'll exit now as market will move down, take SL and move towards 2930 before the news. तो भाई साहब ओके कहाँ पे एग्जिट किया बता देना व्हाट इज द पिप्स हाउ मेनी पॉइंट्स डिड यू कैप्चर लेट मी नो सर स्ट्रीम शुरू होके 1 hour 30 minutes हुआ है 3 ट्रेड हो चुके हैं फर्स्ट ट्रेड 230 पिप्स सेकंड ट्रेड 60 पिप्स थर्ड ट्रेड रनिंग विथ 100 पिप्स ग्रेट रश्मि कीप इट अप एंड ऑल द न्यू मेंबर्स वेलकम टू द स्ट्रीम जो भी डाउट है पूछ सकते हो इन रिगार्ड्स टू द मार्केट if you're liking the stream if you're learning from the stream like share and subscribe week to week allocation on 1 day time frame continuity to the upside मतलब वेंकट रमन समझा नहीं daily time frame week to week allocation and continuity towards the long right लॉस कैसे हुआ राइट एड क्लियरली ड्रॉड ए लाइन वो लाइन के साथ ही मार्केट ने ऊपर के लिए मूव किया इफ यू वांट आई विल शो यू व्हाई डिडंट यू एग्जिट वेयर इज दैट लाइन जी ओनली नो सॉरी व्हाई डिडंट यू एग्जिट here the rule was very simple on the break the target was this and this else it will take a reversal clearly bola tha you didn't follow it and तुम्हारा एंट्री तुमने जो मैसेज किया था मॉर्निंग में दैट वाज 1.89965 थी anyways no worries make sure don't repeat this mistake more than 4 times okay and ऐसे ही हमारा 120 pips continued and closed no sir followed but 10 pips 10 pips is totally fine no doubt at all ओके मॉर्निंग में मैसेज गलत था उसके लिए सब लोग एमटीएसएल को स्ट्रांग रखो इमरान एमटीएसएल 2908 सॉरी 1.27965 या भाई सबके भाई सबकी नौकरियां खा लोगे तुम उतना बड़ा इंसान नहीं हो जनाब डेफिनेटली सबकी एसेंस तो लूंगा नो डाउट इन दैट यस सर, आज एमटीएसएल फॉलो कर रहा हूँ। ग्रेट। लवली गाइस। सुधीर एमटीएसएल फॉलो करो। Yes, took buy on rejection at 29.02 and MTSL at 29.08. Beautiful. Your trade is running with 100 pips. Sorry, 120 pips now. Great. So now your system trailing should be at 29.08 and your MTSL should be at 29.12. Okay. हे प्रभु कृष्ण जगन्नाथ प्रेमानंद, ये क्या हुआ? अकाउंट में पैसा भर गया। That was the FOMO entry, Ants G. Make sure that you don't repeat it again. Wow, the Chandrayaan is on. Rachit, hope you understood. Volume plays a key role, but not as per the volume what is being thought for retailers. नीलेश, आप वॉल्यूम स्पेक्ट्रम पूछ रहे थे ना, कैसे देखना होता है? So this is how we look into the volume spectrums. Imran, change your SL in system, move it at 120 pips, and your trailing will be at, I'll draw a trailing line. This is the MTSL range. Whatever you're seeing, this will be your trailing point. 2913 will be your MTSL, and your major line of allocations will be looked at 29, 20, 120 pips and system trailing. Sir, where was the entry in gold? The entry started at 28.97, 28.98, 28.99, 28.99, 2900. Final few people do took at 2902, and some FOMO trades were at 2906, 2907. But major entry was in this candle, green candle. हिट द लाइक बटन गाइस। कितना छापोगे? थोड़ा रिटेलर्स को भी दे दो। सिंपल है। कैलकुलेट करो, मैथ्स लगाओ, मैथ्स के साथ ट्रेड एग्जीक्यूट करके चलो। कुछ और हम पूछते नहीं है। अगर आप ट्रेंड लाइन फॉलो करके बैठोगे तो डेफिनेटली हम उनका लेंगे। ऐसे। एक टेलीग्राम पे मैसेज आया। तुक्के में ट्रेड्स क्यों दिखाते हो? असलियत में दिखाओ ना। भाई साहब। छोड़ो, इग्नोर। यस, एग्जिट। सिस्टम एसएल पे है, राइट? अगर सेफ चलना है, 120 पिप्स डेली का जो हमारा मिलता है वो मिल रहा है, करेक्ट? तो बने रह सकते हो। एमटीएसएल के नीचे क्लोजिंग आता है, तो देन यू लुक फॉर अ पर्सपेक्टिव ऑफ अ क्लोजर। सिर्फ उसी रेंज में विक क्रिएट करके चल रहा है, देन यू कैन एग्जिट। ओके। 1 घंटे से स्ट्रीम देख रहा हो, कुछ भी बोले जा रहे हो। रनिंग में शॉर्ट ट्रेड देते हो, रनिंग में लॉन्ग ट्रेड देते हो। ट्रेडिंग ऐसा थोड़ी होता है। क्या करें? हमने तो ऐसे ही सीखा है। वॉल्यूम्स गलत पढ़ते हो, लोगों को गलत सिखाना बंद करो। ओके सर। आप सही, हम गलत। ओके। आप बड़े, हम छोटे। आप एक्सपीरियंस्ड। हम तो लास्ट वीक शुरू किया है सर ट्रेडिंग, क्या बोले। Who is that guy? Didn't he see the screen and look? No, I don't know. Someone in the Telegram. वो ब्लॉक नहीं हो रहा है यार। Right. So we have asked the team to create a bot list. So directly messages मेरे तक पहुंच रहे हैं। So tell him हमको ऐसे सही सिखा दे। वो बड़ा है यार, हम छोटे हैं। Have started trading last week. Simple as that. They won, I lost. So Imran, at this point of stage, MTSL के नीचे क्लोजर नहीं है, तो you continue the trade. Okay? जब तक MTSL के नीचे क्लोजर नहीं आती है, you continue in the trade and keep trailing. When we say volume breakout, then what we are looking for, current day average volume break or previous day volume break. Nilesh, don't look for any volume break as of now. Just stick to the basic volume break. If the market, right? If the market is in a range and you have not got a movement, right? And you have seen there is an inducement, there is a volume change in the character. That is the place where the market will tend to take the reversal, not prior to that. Okay. So with that, look out. You will be waiting for an allocation, change, then allocate. Okay. So in advanced volume understanding, you go when you get perfect in this. When you get perfect in this understanding, then you let me know what is the next thing that you have to be looking for. Then I will help you out with understanding that. Okay, how do you look out on the volume averaging? Okay. At the current scenario, just follow this. Let the market range break wherever there is an inducement. With that inducement, let break sustainability look into the correction point. That will be a reversal area. From that point of action, look for at circulum. With that circulum, look for an execution. Okay. So at the current stage, you follow only this. Okay. So going forward, definitely we will, once you get better at this volume understanding, the next thing what I will be helping you guys with is how to identify the major volume change, right? How do you analyze the volume candles? Through that, you can. सर वो ब्रेनलेस होगा अब बचपन में गिर गया होगा कोई नहीं है रचित छोड़ो ना वो बड़ा हम छोटे Sir, please, can we have one live session with basic like wick to wick entry on rejections, continuation point of interest, etc. as basics? Consider this. Okay, मेरे को कल सुबह तक टाइम दे दो. I will check on my time schedules calendar. If I have a spot, definitely 1 or 2 hours I will remote and I will help you out, guys. Okay. Only one request. कल सुबह तक की टाइम दे देना. Okay. वर्षा एक पोल ऐड कर दो. बाय 2896 वीक टू वीक अलोकेशन ट्रेड. परफेक्ट यार. MTSL पॉइंट आपका होना चाहिए, that will be at 2912. System trailing at 2910 and be in the trade. Okay. Okay, जितने भी लोग वोट्स कर रहे हैं, please fill the form. They will get the links via message and mail. Okay. Sir, your team is super fast. Yeah, I appreciate their hard work. Venkat, hope this will help you out. Whoever wants to attend the Sunday session, please do vote. With the voting, there is a form which is being pinned. Please fill the form. You will get a message of the invitation of the Zoom link. Great, sir. Thanks for Zoom session in advance. You're simply love. Thanks, GMR, sir, for suggesting it. Great. Team will send you the mail and message by Saturday, okay? लोगों के ऊपर इतना मेहरबान क्यों हो? भाई ऐसे लोगों को तकलीफ क्यों होती है यार? भाई भाई साहब, भाई क्योंकि मैं देख चुका हूँ हाउ रिटेलर्स ट्रेड, and I have also seen how institutions and hedge funds trade. Okay, and ये वर्षा मैसेज कौन लिखा? I want the Sunday session. It's waste of time. It's भाई साहब, डेफिनेटली एक बंदा तो क्लिक करेगा ही करेगा। जो मेरे साथ टेलीग्राम पे जो मैसेज कर रहा है ना, वो डेफिनेटली इट्स वेस्ट ऑफ टाइम करके क्लिक करेगा। Keep it up, Venkatraman. On the closure of 180 pips, न्यूज के टाइम पे गैप डाउन ओपन हुआ है। नाइस। That joke is a good one. Done. Welcome to the stream, Rinku Goyal. Hope you're learning and enjoying at the same time. Thank you, sir. Appreciate if you could deliver the lessons in English. It will be in English and bit in Hindi, okay, because there are people who wants the understanding in Hindi as well. So I will try to mix and match where you will understand in English as well and Hindi as well. Okay. We can ask doubts there. Yeah, 100% यार, खुल के बात कर सकते हो. You will not have any restrictions. Excuse me. Okay, sir. Fine. Sir, you take any sessions, we will attend. Your knowledge is currently encyclopedia for us. but we should be capable of grasping it. You guys will definitely follow this rule of 22 days. You guys will be better at whatever you're doing. And one thing, guys, always remember, if you're giving 1 hour a day on anything that you're learning, right? And if I have learned that 1 hour for every day for 365 days, you're better than 97% of the world population in that thing which you have given 1 hour on a daily basis. Okay? Just this is the one thing that you have to keep in mind. Discipline, consistency, never give up attitude. 1 hour daily which you want to learn, right? Let it be a passion, let it be a playing guitar, let it be cooking, let it be drawing, let it be dancing, let it be working out. 1 hour a day for 365 days, right? You will be better than 97% of the world population. Always keep that in mind. Sir, one doubt out of the box. Please ask. Which is the most expensive real estate that you have seen? The most expensive real estate that I have seen is a graveyard because billion dollars idea is buried under the ground which never got executed. हिंदी में समझाना चाहो तो अरबों करोड़ों का जो सपना जो हकीकत में बदलने वाली थी वो सब कफन में बरीड हुआ है या ऐसे समझ लो या कभी वो दिखा ही नहीं किसी को Well said, sir. What was that? Amazing, sir. 190 plus 100 pips running. कितना सुंदर लाइन बोला सर आपने. Not much impact on news, maybe because I exited the trade just on the funnier side. 100% correct है. कहा ना पर अपना ने. Right. Final target TP2 यहाँ पे हिट होती है. एग्जिट करने वाले आराम से एग्जिट कर सकते हो. वेंकट अगर बने रहना है तो MTSL को नेक टू नेक लेके चलो. Right? Keep your MTSL here. 2919 plus. ओके, 2919 के नीचे क्लोज, उसके ऊपर जब तक बना है बने रह सकते हो। ओके, सर यू शुड बी ए फिलोसोफर। फिलोसफी करने को भी पैसा चाहिए। To become a philanthropist and to give a speech also you need money, okay? And that money should be somewhere in good numbers. Yes, exited now. Great, Imran. Keep it up. Right? 180 pips. सर बिलियनियर बनो, मिलीनियर आप बन गए होंगे। आई एम जस्ट नॉट अ मिलीनियर, आई एम ए मल्टी मिलीनियर। सर लवली बुक, आई हैड बॉट द बुक लास्ट वीक, आज मिल गया मेरे को वो किताब। इतना शानदार लिखे हो आप, मजा आ गया पढ़ के। द अनब्रेकेबल क्रिप्टो थोड़ा समझ में नहीं आई, क्योंकि बहुत क्योंकि बहुत डीप नॉलेज है उसमें, डिसेंट्रलाइज्ड एक्सचेंज के बारे में सब। तो एनीवेज मेरे को दी अनब्रेकेबल बुक बहुत शानदार लगी। धन्यवाद सर। यू राइट बुक्स? I have written 2 books. Third book has been will be launched in March. How many sources of income you need? For what? How many sources of income you will come to know in my next book, which is launching in the end of March. How many incomes do you have? Take it in a funnier way. जितना आप सोच भी नहीं सकोगे उतना। Seriously मत लेना। All the new members, hope you guys are learning and enjoying at the same time. You can put my name directly, you will get the book. Nitesh Pawar. In Amazon, you will find the book. एक बार दिखा दो ना। When the gold trade was taken for long side, what was the initial SL? 2893 or lower? 40 pips. New York session is 40 pips. एक बार दिखा दो सर बुक्स कैसे दिखते हैं। You just press on my name, Nitesh Pawar, you will get the books. Okay. The book names are The Unbreakable and The Crypto World. आपका नाम क्या है? नितेश पवार. Okay. नहीं नहीं नितेश पवार. Right? Put this name. Niteshpawar. You're currently in Bangalore. Yes. I'll be in Bangalore for another 1 month. Okay. Nilesh, hope you got your point. How do you manage all this? Wake up at 3 a.m., running meditation for 1.5 hours, writing books, 12 hours trading. Always remember one thing, Marvich. Making 1 lakh from working is easier. Okay. From there, making alone 1 crore or 100K is easier. Till here, it's been done alone, right? After that, the first million will be made with a system where people are smarter than you because you alone can't run the show, you can't do the marketing, you can't talk to all the people, you can't be the CFO of the company, you can't be the COO of the company, you can't be the operating director of the company, you can't be the key player of the company. You can only be the word and you can only be the voice of the company, right? You should have the pillars. You should have 5 pillars. Pillar one, who can manage. I don't use Insta, Imran. Any means any social media platforms I don't use. Okay. So any company needs 5 pillars. One is finance, who can run the show when you're not there. Second, marketing, when you're not here, that person can look after it. Three, sales, where the people can go on grounds and get the work done. Four, tech, who can handle each and every tech perspectives. And five, and not the least, is only one thing, that is none other than founder's office, who manages everything. Okay. Hope you got the point, Mavich. आपका नाम क्या है? नितेश पवार. How do you manage your energy level? Audience is my energy, money is my energy. And always remember, guys, make sure money works for you, not you work for the money. Okay? Okay, okay. On Insta, I'm not in Insta. I don't use Insta. Oh, great to hear, sir. Any reasons you're here, like teaching or extra? Where you put up, if no problems. I'm from Mumbai. I do have a place in Bangalore, right? And major setups are in Dubai and Switzerland. Company setups are from Dubai and Switzerland. Yes, sir. But is it like different sessions have different SLs? If yes, then why so? Because Asian sessions doesn't give you big moves. Asian session candles, if you notice, right? This is Asian session candle. Let's calculate per candle size, average. Okay, 3 points, right? So let's calculate one more. 2 points. Let's calculate one more, right? 2 points, right? So average should be two. But New York session, जैसे ही New York session में entry होगी, average candle is of 50 pips, right? Your every candle averaging is at 50 pips, 45 pips. So at this range, one thing you have to notice, उससे ज्यादा नहीं देना चाहिए जितना कैंडल का एवरेजिंग है. Simple, right? 70 pips. Venkatraman, hope you don't have headaches now because you captured the entire moment. I could love to present my 12 hours of entire trading in YouTube, but time doesn't permit. No, that's the reason I do 3 to 4 hours in morning, 3 to 4 hours in the evening. And in between there are LTDs which goes on from morning 8 o'clock. There are MNPs what runs in the same particular timelines. There are client meeting which runs in particular timelines. So we have to manage all. वरना जब तक मैं ट्रेड करता रहूंगा तब तक मैं स्क्रीन के सामने आराम से बैठा रहूंगा. बट फायदा ही नहीं है ना. Because we are not scalpers. We are a person who hold the trades. Every day we capture more than 100 pips, right? In this scenario, what do you look for? You look for a circulum. What is the circulum? Okay. We shouldn't be greedy. I am not greedy, right? But अगर maths मेरे direction में है, तो definitely I will be greedy. But with the risk management, with my position sizing, with the allocations, yeah, definitely I could love to be greedy. आप लोग खुद देख रहे हो, जितने दिन से आप देख रहे हो, every day we have captured the moments, right? Every day. चलो, आज का दो ट्रेड था, दोनों ट्रेड में से एक ट्रेड तो आप पकड़े होंगे. फर्स्ट ट्रेड यहाँ पे थी 220 पिप्स. सेकंड ट्रेड यहाँ पे थी जो करेंटली चल रही है 240 पिप्स, राइट? मैं तो लास्ट वीक ट्रेडिंग शुरू किया था, तो मेरे में ग्रीड रहेगा यार. Sorry guys, last line I just pulled that to that person who was watching. So टेलीग्राम पे जो देख मैसेज कर रहा है ना उसके लिए। So it's just one thing you guys have to keep in mind. If you guys are able to crack your 22 days, definitely you guys will crack the entire trading journey, right? And trading is not difficult like what you guys are thinking. Trading works on only four simple grounds, right? So when trading works on four simple grounds, what are that four simple grounds? Use the math, done. You know the direction. Use the concept, done. You will understand where is the retracement, where is the entry points. Trade fearlessly with the risk management, position sizing, done. Your risk is managed. Last and but not the least, controlling your mind. How will you control your mind? By not showing emotions. If you're winning, don't showcase that you're winning. If you're losing, don't feel the pain of losing, right? Don't be happy when you're winning. Don't be sad when you're losing. Be emotionless. That's all you need. I will guarantee you one, two, three that you will learn in this channel. Fourth, it's up to you, because if you're continuing more than four times the same mistakes, then I can't help you here, right? This will complete in 22 days, right? The compounding structure will complete in 3 months. That will also I'll help you how to compound and how to grow. That will also I'll help you. Come on. Okay. The only one thing that it's on in you is the emotions. Can you control your emotions? If yes, this is the place. If you want to learn, yes, this is the place. If you want to grow, yes, this is the place. Right? खुला होके बात करो यार. Doubt आया पूछो. If you get a doubt, ask. Right? If you're not understanding, ask. Right? I will explain it to you 1,000 times. But you learned in the 1,000 times is what it matters. Okay? Once you get that particularness of understanding how the market works, you don't need anything, right? कंफ्यूज होने का जरूरत ही नहीं है, right? कोर्सेस में पैसे देने की जरूरत ही नहीं है ना. इंडिकेटर्स, मैजिकल इंडिकेटर्स करके कुछ है ही नहीं. ओके. Magical indicators are people who are making the money here by themselves, right? They are executing the trade, they are holding the trade, right? They are following the rules because they are learning. There is nothing called as magic indicators, there is nothing called as EMAs, there is nothing called as extortion allocation points in the market. That are the things which is given to us to take the money from you guys. If you want, give it to us, we will take it happily, right? So कोई भी डाउट है खुला पूछो, right? Trade क्यों execute किया, what was the reason, where did you enter, ask. Why are people entering in that perspective, ask, right? एसएल गया तो 40 पिप्स ही क्यों देना है, राइट? 40 पिप्स के ऊपर जाके क्लोज करता है तो क्या मैं बने रह सकता हूँ, पूछो. That's how market tends to, that's how we will learn. Make notes, right? You're trading, don't use any softwares to maintain a general, write it by your hands, right? That will get stuck in your head क्योंकि आप लिख रहे हो. right? Why do I use pen to draw? Because that will help me. Where is my targets, right? हॉरिजॉन्टल लाइंस आपको समझ में नहीं आ रही है करके ड्रॉ कर रहा हूँ, वरना मैं वो ड्रॉ करता ही नहीं हूँ. Okay, but yes, definitely once you guys learn how it's been looked at, definitely I'm not putting these lines again. 10 more points if the market sustains about 29.18. No, no. If market sustains about 29.13, next target is 29.40. Okay, Venkat. So कोई भी चीज हो यार पूछ सकते हो, खुला पूछो. अगर यू आर फ्रॉम बिजनेस, ask regarding business. I'll help you out in business as well, right? If you're from startup, you have a startup company, ask. I'll give you free tips how to get the investments from the company, right? If you're working, ask how you can be better at the place. How can you beat your persons who is next to you? I can help you out in that as well. This stream is just not about trading. It's a secret to everything. Okay? Sorry if I said something wrong. So these are the four things you need in the market, nothing else. Maths, how to draw the supply and demand. With that, where to look for an execution perspective and how to compound in the trades. Trade emotionless. Okay, sir. No headache, just follow the rules of SL, TSL, and MTSL. Beautiful, Venkatraman. Still, money and passion can drive you, but still the energy levels are very high as your calmness is maintained at any cost. Just that I am noticing you for 1 week now. गुस्सा होके मेरा बीपी बढ़ाने का कोई इरादा नहीं है. Okay, because I can take decisions only when I am calm, right? So if I am explaining you and if I am showing an aggression or if I am showing you a perspective that I am the boss, sorry, I will lose at that point of time when I will start showing my anger or my happiness. Why? Because I will tend to lose. Because the dopamine is released in the mind. Once the dopamine is released in the mind, you will tend to take the decisions in the wrong way. So I love to keep myself calm, right? लॉस होता है तो होने दो, हो गया. प्रॉफिट हुआ, ग्रेट प्रॉफिट. Because this you're not going to close in a day or two or a month or two. You're taking this for a lifelong, right? From next time, if anyone asks what you do, say them you're not a trader, okay? Say them you are a derivative specialist, right? Because you guys are using math to execute the trades. The people who will listen to you what you're doing, they will go mind bonkers when you say you're a derivative specialist because you're using math to allocate the trades. You can proudly say that now, people who are using math. ओके। सर वरुण कहाँ गया? सो गया वो। 8:30 गोज टू बेड। उसका ट्रेड चल रहा है। सब में MTSL TSL लग के वो सो गया। थैंक्स, ग्रेट मेंटर टीचर सर। थैंक यू Rachit. You can call by my name also. I'm totally okay, Rachit. You don't have to call me sir. At GMR, the other day you asked me where in Bangalore. I am from Whitefield. And Venkat is from Kolar. Sir, I came out of Adani Power, now aiming at Bandhan Bank to come out. If it reaches 153.5, I will be out from Bandhan Bank. Past 2 days, BB is in green. Today, it did not move at all. No, quantum trading. That is what I will say. No, to say quantum, you're into quantum financing, then you have to know at least seven formulas, right? Currently, you guys know two formulas plus one, three formulas for position sizing. Venkat Raman, it thought you were from Karnataka. Good to hear. Even Mahavich, good to hear from you. Great guys. All the new members who are into the stream, if you're learning, if you're growing, do hit a like, share, and subscribe. Guys, last 10 minutes, the polls will be on and the forms will be there. Whoever wants to join can fill the form and vote. You guys will get a mail, and as well as with the mail, you guys will get a message for the Zoom sessions on Sunday. And I'm sorry, guys, halka sa tongue twist hota hai because I'm talking from morning 3 and no break for the tongue. So kabhi kabhi फिसल जाता है. It is like, bro, give me a break. Anyone has any doubts can ask. If Danushka is on the stream, did you execute the trade in gold? If yes, where and how? And still the trade is running or closed? Please let me know. Imran, still running or you closed at 120 pips or 130 pips? Sorry, booked at 180 pips, correct. Venkat, change your MTSL point. Thanks a lot for your valuable time. Thanks a lot for your time, as always. Okay, no worries. Hope you are enjoying the learnings. Hope you are implementing it in your journey. What time did 10:30? 2:45. Yo, नहीं है गस्त्या, बने रहो, आराम से बने रहो ट्रेड में। अगर यहाँ पे इंड्यूसमेंट बिल्ड होता है तब एग्जिट करेंगे, वरना आराम से बने रहो। एक छोटा रिट्रेसमेंट में सब क्या डरना। रिजेक्शन ले रहा है, लेने दो ना। अगर मेरा वॉल्यूम स्पेक्ट्रम इंक्रीज होगा पुराने कैंडल से, अभी उससे ज्यादा इंक्रीज होगा, तब मैं देखूंगा शॉर्ट के लिए, उससे पहले नहीं। Previous candle execution should be higher. No doubt selling pressure आना शुरू हुआ है. So which is 35 minutes prior only the selling pressure has started, but not the worth to give it a try. थोड़े लोग रिटेलर्स भी पैसे कमा लेने दो. Sir, just give me a glimpse what is your lot size looks like. Sorry, I can't help you with that. सीखो यार, सीखो. Guys, stream will be there for next 10 minutes. कोई भी डाउट है पूछ सकते हो. Rachit, what do you do, man? आप क्या करते हो? So after 1 month, where are you going? For my book launch, Dubai. सर एक बार LTD levels दिखा दो ना. 2947 huh? Next. स्मिता मैम, अरुंधति मैम, अंजलि, अंबिका, रश्मि, अगस्त्या. 2947 तक होल्ड करो. Move the system trailing to 2885, MTSL to 2900. Okay. One thing, guys, make sure don't trade in FOMO. Follow the levels, execute the trades where the market shows you to trade. Trade fearlessly with risk management, trade emotional less, protect your capital, execute the trades in the directions of MC and mathematical concepts. बने रहिए मार्केट में. See you in the morning. तब तक के लिए take care. Bye bye. Good night. Nitesh signing off. What are those levels? That are quantum numbers which we have allocated in the system, right? Which that formula leveling is somewhere at level 6. You guys are at level 2. Okay. What is 2885? MTSL point, ट्रेलिंग सिस्टम. हमारा मेजर एग्जीक्यूशन हुआ है 2859 से, राइट? वो ट्रेड्स अभी तक चल रहा है, तो उसका ट्रेलिंग हम रखेंगे 2885 पे एंड हमारा MTSL रहेगा 2900 पे. बाय सर, गुड नाइट. गुड नाइट दिनेश का. गुड नाइट रचित. सो टेक केयर एवरीवन. मिलते हैं कल सुबह 9 बजे. तब तक के लिए play safe, don't lose the capital, protect your capital, and good night. Bye bye. Nitesh signing off.